All right, and today I'm going to be reviewing this little dry erase board that was sent to me from GEAoffice for review. Now, this is a cool little whiteboard. It is, just the size of like a big notebook. It's dual-sided. You can adjust this easel, so you just unscrew it a little bit and then you can snap it in, or if let me undo it real quick. You can actually just put it all the way down like that, and then you can hang it from this because it comes with this hook that you can put on your wall, and then it just hooks on, so you can put this on your wall. It also comes with a bunch of magnets that you can put on there, and then it's got 10 different colors of markers, and the markers have magnets on it so they can stick on those, which is really great. Now, who would want one of these? I actually asked for this because I'm a school teacher and I thought this would be perfect for my students, especially those that live in the dorms, have a small space to live in. It's really cool to have one of these, just to have, it's like a big post-it note, right? You can put your reminders for the day. I know people that put these in their kitchen that has like the menu for the week. So there's a lot of different reasons you could use this, but I'm thinking particularly young adults and students would have a huge need for this. I have big whiteboards in my office, and even here in my home office, I have big whiteboards. So I use whiteboards all the time, but I thought if I was younger, I would totally want one this size, because not only can you hang it up and just set it where you need to, but with it being dual-sided, you can put some notes on one side, other notes on the other. You can write on it just like a writing tablet. And so if you're doing math homework or something like that, this is really great for just to have a slate. When I taught elementary school, all of my students had a small whiteboard that they just stuck in their desk. And so this is a little bit bigger than the ones that you might put in your desk, but you can use it for homework and just working out problems and things like that. Really cool whiteboard, especially, if you need it for one of those reasons. So check it out.